Leak Be Gone rings are intended to permanently repair leaks at PVC pipe joints where the glue has not adhered properly during install or where the joint has come loose. Available in 7 sizes between 3/4 inch and 4-inch PVC pipe. When installed properly under the appropriate conditions, the Leak Be Gone ring could save you hundreds of dollars and hours of time cutting out and replacing leaking PVC pipe. To ensure proper installation, the instructions must be followed exactly. It is advised to work rapidly, as cement sets quickly. Use primer and cement in well-ventilated areas. Leak Be Gone must be installed on a clean and dry pipe. Dry off leaking area completely, above and below joint. Spread open the Leak Be Gone ring and place it around the pipe, away from leak. Squeeze and snap the ring closed. Apply an even coat of primer around the pipe at the leaking point and let dry. Then apply a liberal coat of cement around the pipe at the leaking joint. Slide and turn ring all the way to the leaking area until the ring makes contact with the joint. Hold for 30 seconds to allow cement to dry before turning on water. If the incorrect size ring is chosen, Leak Be Gone will not stop your leak. If a pipe already has buildup, such as residue, glue, or mud around the fitting, Leak Be Gone will not stop your leak. If a pipe is too wet, the glue may not properly adhere, and Leak Be Gone will not stop your leak. If Leak Be Gone is installed over the glue, it may become prematurely stuck to the pipe and will not stop your leak. If your pipe is leaking in a location other than the pipe joint, then Leak Be Gone will not stop your leak. If the Leak Be Gone ring is not latched properly during install, then Leak Be Gone may not stop your leak. Note: do not use Leak Be Gone on bathroom or kitchen P-traps or compression fittings.